second principle of AI that we need to discuss is training. The reason why an AI is able to generate anything in the first place is because it has been trained to do so. And the way this is done is that an AI model is given a colossal amount of data. The easiest way to think of it is that an AI is trained on all the information on the internet that the company behind it was able to get their hands on at the time. Right? Now, unlike previous versions of AI that had some sort of a supervised learning where, for example, it would be shown a large data set and said, in this data set, find out information showing that customers who buy this product also buys this product and make more of these connections. What happens when you train generative AI, like the AI we're talking about, is unsupervised. So you can think of it as this. An AI model is given all the information in the world and more or less told to just go figure it out. Read all this stuff and educate yourself. And as it does that, it internalizes this. It understands connections between different pieces of data, and it basically develops language so that it can understand human language, it can imitate human language, and it is trained on roughly all the knowledge that we had at the time, right? So this is the first step of this training. The next step, it needs to do some reinforcement, right? So the original way of doing this would be that humans would ask this AI in training for something, and it would give a response, and the humans would then give a thumbs up or a thumbs down, and then sort of train it towards understanding what are good answers and what are bad answers. Now, more and more, of course, now other AIs are used to train the new AIs, and you can sort of see how this is going, right? But it's trained on all the information that they can get their hands on. It learns the connections between these things. It learns what is considered a good output and not. And then it is given a set of rules to live by, if you will, by the company behind it. For example, Anthropic, the company behind Claude. If you use Claude, its sort of system instructions would begin with something like, you are Claude, a friendly AI assistant made by Anthropic. You will assist your users as they ask you for things, etc. Right? So all these tools are trained on all this data, and then they're sort of sent out into the world with instructions on how are they going to be helpful for the user.